welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I'm going to be using Fabric Mod Podge to create some really fun t-shirts. Now the idea behind this is family matching t-shirts. You can do any design that you want. You can see I've got a peace sign here, some summer sunglasses here, and of course that little mouse face for all of those vacations to those big theme parks. This is a really easy technique to do, so grab fabric that you love, and I'm just using some paper patterns that I created on the internet. You can do any basic shape that you want. These are all hand cut, no sew, no die cutting machines. Fabric Mod Podge is machine washable in cold. It does have a cure time, but this is a really simple, fun project if you want to create a coordinated look really quick. All right, let's dive right on in and do it. You want to start with pre-washed fabric and t-shirts. I'm using Fabric Mod Podge for this, and again, just some basic paper patterns. Basic shapes work best. I know I want to feature that little flamingo there, so I'm just lining my pattern up so that he is centered in the center of my little mouse face. Now I'm going to just pin that in place, and then you just cut out your fabric. Again, this was pre-washed fabric and my t-shirts are pre-washed. That's important because you want to remove any sizing. Look how cute and easy these basic shapes are just to cut out. Now I'm going to add the Fabric Mod Podge to the back of the cutout. You want to make sure you get those edges really good. I'm applying a nice coat. It's not too thin, not too thick. You can see this is a much thicker formula than regular Mod Podge. You must use the fabric formula for this project. This is going to have a longer cure time, and I usually wash in cold. I don't wash in the machine. If you want to sew along the outer edge, you can. And then you'll just put that on your t-shirt. Now here I'm just folding it in half just to get a crease line to show me where the center is. That's a quick and easy way to cheat and find that center line. Then you'll just gently pick up your piece and place it right wherever you want it. I want this centered, so I'm just centering it right underneath the neckline and then press down. Now I'm gonna let this dry overnight. Look how adorable these all turned out. Such a quick and easy way to create a coordinated look. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you learned a little bit about how you can create your own fun family coordinated look for all of your summer adventures. I'll be back here next week with another video to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week.